Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel is about taking care of your natural hair, so that's what you want, then stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to deep condition your hair properly, and what I have in my bottle is my detangler. So I'm going to be spraying that on my hair first, after sectioning my hair into 4 different sections to make it easier for the deep conditioner to get all around my hair. Now the reason why I'm spraying my hair is because I don't want to deep condition any dry hair. We don't just do that here, like you cannot deep condition any dry hair, so you have to spray your hair a little bit to make it damp. Today I'm going to be using the Soulmate olive oil hair mayonnaise. As you guys know, if you've been following me on Instagram, I recently became the ambassador for Soulmate and I've been using their product all through, and trust me, I have not been hating it. So this product is really nice. I'm just going to apply the product to my hair and gently. This is the reason why you need to section your hair, so that you can easily apply the product all around your hair and then detangle your hair with a wide tooth comb. You can easily use any other detangler you like, any other detangling comb you like to use, but I prefer the wide tooth comb because it just makes it easier and it does not make my hair shed so much. So after that, I'm going to twist my hair, and after twisting my hair and applying product all around, I'm going to use a shower cap to cover my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. I don't let my deep conditioner stay on my hair for more than 1 hour. So after rinsing out my hair, this is how my hair looks. I love the fact that this deep conditioner did not shrink my hair. It felt so nice. My hair felt soft and moisturized. Then after that, I'm going ahead to style my hair. I decided to do a bantu knot today. My bantu knot looks cute and little and I love it. So this is how I look after deep conditioning my hair, and I really did not use anything on my hair after this. I just wanted to show you guys how my hair purely looks. So the white thing that you're seeing on my hair is gel, and that's because I want to do a bantu knot out after. So this is what my hair looks like without any moisturizer, just a deep conditioner and a gel. Have a wonderful day, love.